Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best LED fog lights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED fog lights that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Rock 8 LED Fog Driving Light Halogen Fog Bulb. These are one of the most powerful LED fog lights to make our list. The Rock 8 fog lights come with 8,000 lumens, making them the brightest as well. They also come as a set of 2 and fit most any vehicle you can think of, though you should always check to see if any fog light fits your car before purchasing them. They are constructed out of a cold-pressed aviation-grade aluminum with a built-in 2-ball fan to control their heat dissipation. They are a 12-volt bulb as well with a 6500K diamond white color. However, there have been issues related with the cooling fan not working properly, leaving the lights to turn off momentarily. You will also need to read the instructions as their polarity may need to be adjusted to ensure they function properly. Moving on at number 4. We have the Alla Lighting H11 LED Fog Light Bulbs. A set of 2 ultra-bright LED fog light bulbs with 1,400 lumens per light. That's a total of 2,800 lumens lighting up the foggy night sky, giving you a clearer view of the road ahead of you. Each one is also built out of a premium aluminum material that allows them to cool more quickly when they aren't in use. This also gives them a longer lifespan, so you don't have to worry about changing them out so often. They include 12 volts and 8.5 watts with 710 microamps, making them highly effective in dense fog and cloudy conditions. However, you will notice, due to the lower wattage amount, they aren't all that bright. At number 3, we have the JDMA Star Extremely Bright LED Fog Light Bulbs. These lights are 6000K xenon white, and each bulb is 1300 lumens. They operate at 10 watts and have a maximum capacity of 50 watts. The lights fit 9040, 9140, 9145, 9050, 9155, H10, are plug-and-play installation, and are covered under a 1-year warranty. These lights are easy to install, don't require any tools, and are well constructed. They are also brighter than stock halogen fog lights. They enhance visibility and emit a crisp, clear white light without the blue tint you may encounter in other products. The lights shine low but fill in the dark areas nicely. They also provide a sleek LED look without blinding oncoming drivers or drawing attention from police for looking like off-road lights. The housings of older vehicles or vehicles without factory LED lights may not project the lights correctly. The bulbs can also stop working after a short period of time and may not be bright enough for all driving conditions. At number 2, we have the Nylite Spot Driving Fog Light. These lights come with an 18-watt LED light bar and adjustable mounting brackets. They offer a universal fit for all vehicles. The lights feature 1,260 lumens and die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins, which extend the lifespan to over 30,000 hours. They are dustproof and waterproof in up to 3.3 feet of water for 30 minutes. The lights are well constructed, durable, bright, and provide great visibility in the rain and snow. The white light makes everything easy to see way down the road. They are very directional with a spot beam and are easy to install. The wiring is long enough to reach the factory fog light wiring harness plugs from the stock bumper mounting location. One downside is the lights may be somewhat difficult to aim, and the bolts may break during installation. Also, water can leak into the lamps. You'll need to purchase a wiring harness and mounting hardware separately. Finally, they may not be able to withstand vibration if installed on a motorcycle. And finally at number 1. We have the Beamtech H11 LED fog light bulb. This set includes two 30-watt LED bulbs with 6 Sol Z8Y19 high-power CSP chips. The bulbs are xenon white with 800 lumens and 320-degree lighting. They are 6-6500 K in color temperature, 12 volts to 24 volts, and have a lifespan of 10,000 working hours. The cold-pressed aluminum heat sink inside aids in reducing heat and maximizing bulb life. The bulbs are non-polarity in design and feature plug-and-play installation. A 1-year warranty is included. These lights are brighter than OEM options, are well constructed, and produce a good, even beam pattern. They also offer a very clean cut-off. Unlike some other bulbs, the Beamtech bulbs run cool. They fit nicely in stock housing with no heat sink to get in the way. They also don't bother drivers in front of you. One downside is the bulbs may be a little hard to install into the housing, and the plastic clips are a bit weak. Also, there have been some complaints that the lights may produce a dark spot in the middle of the light output. The lights can also cause a malfunction code error on some vehicles, such as BMWs. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.